Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your Roblox crashing on iOS problem. First is you want to check if there is any update available in Roblox. So go to your app store and search for Roblox. So my Roblox says open, that means it's up to date. But if it shows you update over here instead of open, click on it to update your Roblox. Once your Roblox is updated, your problem should be fixed. And if it's still not fixed, what you need to do is go inside your phone setting and from over here scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see Roblox. Once you see it, click on it. And from inside over here, make sure where it says background app refresh, it is on. Because if it is off, then that's going to cause you some problem. If that's on, your problem should be fixed. If it is still not fixed, then the next thing you can do is delete your Roblox app and reinstall it again. Sometimes a bug causes this problem, so doing this deleting and reinstalling thing will fix it. If it's still not fixed, you can restart your phone, which means switch off your phone, turn it on again, and your problem should be fixed. So that's how you guys can fix your Roblox crashing on iOS problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.